Wait. 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 Wait.
This thing is pretty sensitive.
Wait. Wait.
I'm not even standing in front of it.
Wait. Wait.
There's that one over there.
Wait. 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 Wait.
These all do the rapid tick, so
Wait.
I wouldn't be surprised if I just sat here for like a 5 seconds. Yep, they do the rapid tick. The very boring one, too. "13 seconds. This one was a knockdown replacement, this pole here and this traffic signal. I wonder if they installed, yeah, they installed a McCain over here too. There's the lights. Okay, that's quick. I don't even want to care about what this one looks like. It's probably a little bit older. Nope, it's a McCain signal too.
Wait.
I didn't even push the button, damn it. I didn't even push the button. Sensitive as shit, bro. I didn't even push the button.
Wait.
This one I did. Okay. Oh, this one's got an older countdown too. It's got the, you notice how it has the segment that's missing up top? It's still a McCain though. I guess that's it.